2011 Ford E150 high top wheelchair conversion van by Tuscany. It is a VMI Tuscany conversion, Ricon S series lift. It does have the raised side entry doors, Q lock in the floor, which is easy lock, Q straight tie down system inside. Beautiful conversion package, 63,000 original miles, clean Carfax, rust free Southern vehicle. Very, very nice clean van. Excellent shape. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. You could text us at 954-561-2499. As for the van man, I'm here to help you at any time. Beautiful van, runs and drives excellent. Tires are great. I'll point out any flaws I can find. It does have a rear power folding electric bed, rear entertainment system, backup camera. Beautiful Ford high top handicap wheelchair van, Tuscany VMI. Beautiful, beautiful van. Show you how everything works. Give you the tour inside and out. Pretty straight down the sides, no accidents, no stories. The Carfax showed one minor accident in the back. The previous owner told me it was just a little bump in the back bumper, and that was it. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Beautiful, beautiful van. Needs nothing. It's ready to go. Tires are good. Ricon S series lift, 2-post. Beautiful Tuscany conversion. I'm going to show you how everything works here. Big flat screen TV, DVD setup. Gorgeous teardrop light. Folds down into a bed. It does have the bed extender, so it makes it a bigger bed to lay on. Gorgeous wood grain interior everywhere. Q straight tie downs in the floor. Got the quick lock for your wheelchair locking system. Beautiful van. The wheelchair lift works very easily. You have the handheld remote. Works excellent. No stories with the lift whatsoever. Fully operational. Needs nothing at all. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help at any time. This is a VMI Tuscany conversion. Does have the raised entry doors. No rust on this van whatsoever. Excellent, excellent condition. You hang your remote right here, very easy. Also has a power shutoff, so it doesn't draw power when you're not using the lift. A lot of times these vans will have issues with that. Go inside here and give you the tour. You got the Q straight tie downs in the floor. The carpet has a little bit of wear for the year, but that's it. Just from the wheelchair going in and out. This is a power folding bed. You got your indirect lighting everywhere, storage compartments, leather wrapped interior parts. Very, very nice van, very comfortable. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We are happy to help. Seats and carpet are in great shape up here in the front. The seats are excellent. You're looking at 63,000 miles. It may go up just from demonstration purposes. It's around 63,500. You have all your power switches here. Have your quick lock and your emergency brake lock for the wheelchair lift. If this wheelchair lift isn't stowed, the vehicle will not go in gear, so that has a safety on it. A lot of these handicap vans do have that. This one does have a safety. The lift must be all the way stowed in order for the vehicle to go in gear. So anyway, give us a call if you have any questions, 954-561-2499. We are happy to help at any time. There is the power bed. Folds down. You have the extender also, which makes it very nice. Works very well. That noise you hear is just the bed rubbing against the side panel there. Very nice, clean van. Doesn't smell funny. There's no issues. Got your lift, obviously. Have your DVD player mounted underneath here, center console. Beautiful, beautiful setup. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we're happy to help. Excellent, excellent handicap van here. We buy and sell many vans. We take trades. We ship worldwide. Whatever we can do to help, we can get it done. We have been in business 43 years. This does have your backup camera. Here is your bed extender in the back, which you can fold up so you have more room. It's very easy. That's manual to move that up and down. Awesome. This here was the previous pendant for the wheelchair lift that was replaced for the new one. Anyway, just a very nice clean van. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions, send us an email, send us a text, ask for Jeff or Ken. We'll be happy to help you. You can drive this van across country today. It needs absolutely nothing at all. Very, very nice. It'll be priced competitively. Give us a call. Thank you.